Coming to calcium and vitamin D, Poonam madam पूछती हैं कि why are calcium and vitamin D supplements given to all people with thyroid?
Well, because there has been an erosion of that uh, before when the person was not treated. And I think to get the levels back, that could play an important role. I can't think of anything else.
And in India, vitamin D deficiency is very common. We are blessed with sunlight, but we are a heliophobic nation. हम धूप से डरते हैं. And जैसे जैसे आपका socio-economic status बढ़ता है, as your socio-economic status improves, your nutrition is supposed to improve. But there are two exceptions. One is vitamin B12, and the other one is vitamin D. So vitamin D is easy to understand because the richer you become, the less you go out into the sun. You wear more clothes, you remain in the AC, you use sunscreen. So all these things take place. For vitamin B12, the theory is very interesting. पहले हम कुएं का पानी पीते थे या नदी का या तालाब का, which used to have lots and lots of bacteria. Now vitamin B12 comes only from the animal kingdom, not from the plant kingdom. तो जो पहले हम पानी पीते थे वो इतना polluted था, उसमें इतने सारे बैक्टीरिया थे, हमारा B12 पूरा हो जाता था. But now we drink clean water. We have access to safe drinking water in India and in most parts of the world. तो B12 हमारा खत्म हो गया वहां से. And our diet is predominantly vegetarian and vegan. And that's why we don't have any B12 source left in the diet. That's one of the theories for B12 deficiency in India.
So, Sanjay, you raise a good point, and I want to tell you something about structured water. What is structured water? Structured water is the water that falls, comes from the mountains, goes through stones, and goes through the earth and filtration. And sometimes it is what water we drink is after, like kueं ka pani, for example, is after hundreds of years of filtration and all that we get. So we get total structured water. Water has a structure. And you know what is happening with the municipalities and clean water? We are trying to kill the bacteria and all the other sources which could be bad for us. But in the process, we destroy the structure of the water. So a lot of these waters which you find in bottled water and all that is no good, because structured water is the one. Our body is made 80-90% of water. Imagine. So, having structured water is very important. Now, this is the concept which is slowly catching up in the world. But for thousands of years, we relied upon structured water. And now, suddenly, with all these municipality water filtration plants and all that, which destroy the structure, we are not getting the proper structured water. Can you imagine?
जिस तरह से हम बात करते हैं मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स की, we should be talking about, though we don't, and thanks to Bhasin Saab for raising this, we should be talking about mega nutrients. And one mega nutrient in our life is water. It is a nutrient. Without that, you just can't live. Another mega nutrient might be fiber. And I think these are the things that are least talked about. So thanks to Ashok sir for raising these points and telling us that we should view water with the respect that it deserves. Na kam na zyada, not too much, not too little. Just जो पानी की अहमियत है, उतनी ही उसको दें, उतनी ही इज्जत दें.